Hey guys, Jordan here, and in this video we're going to be talking about Matterport, so let's get into it. Alright, so on this channel I talk about real estate photography, so if that's a topic you're interested in, make sure to subscribe. On this video we're going to be talking a little bit about Matterport, and got a question from Joshua Hutton on a video where I did a RICOH Z1 versus Matterport comparison. And I think at that time there wasn't an option for the RICOHs to do 2D schematic floor plans. Now that is an option. So he says, do any of the Theta cameras have the floor plan option? They do now. I don't know when they rolled it out, but what is an option over the last few months at least. So you know, if you have a Theta camera only and you don't have the Matterport, then yeah, you can offer a 2D schematic floor plan for your customers. Now I will tell you, we did split testing. Theta, obviously with something that measures like that, we got a little bit of mixed measurements. Not sure exactly which one was more accurate. Maybe I should do a little bit more in depth, but they were all kind of in the ballpark, similar for measurement accuracies, which is the second one. So, or your second question, are the measurements accurate? I think the livable square space, I think, you know, I don't think there's that big of a difference to say, oh, I need to do Matterport over RICOH because it's 5% more accurate. I think even doing Matterports, customers aren't always the happiest because they think that, oh, the square footage is actually this. The likelihood that it's going to be right on or exact are pretty unlikely. And then you can just take off, you know, it says measurements are approximate, they're not exact, but they're pretty good. So anyways, that's good news if you just have a RICOH or just want to not have to spend a couple $1,000 on a Matterport camera just to do 2D schematic floor plans. Now there are other options like Cubicasa, and I will mention one thing, that when it comes to Matterport, they do charge, or at least they charge us more. We pay more. We primarily have Matterport cameras out there, but sometimes we do shoot with RICOHs as well. But I will tell you, they charge more when you use a non-Matterport camera versus when you use Matterport camera for that. I think the 2D schematic floor plans are the same price, but the models themselves cost more. So that's also something to consider. We have a really old plan, so I don't know if our plan is different than what they offer today. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. If you got value, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.